Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in the Indian automotive scene, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. Once known as the King of Indian Roads, the Ambassador is back, and it's not just a retro tribute. This is a modern reinterpretation of a cultural icon, engineered to meet today's standards while preserving the soul of the original. Design, classic roots, contemporary finish. The 2025 Ambassador retains its instantly recognizable silhouette, the curvaceous body, upright grille, and broad shoulders. But look closer, and you'll see the transformation. The new LED lighting setup, 17-inch alloy wheels, and a sleeker front fascia give it a premium and contemporary presence. Subtle chrome touches and redesigned bumpers offer a blend of nostalgia and modern elegance that appeals to both old-school loyalists and new-age buyers. Performance, the heart of the 1800 ISZ. Under the hood lies the real surprise, a 1.8L ISZ petrol engine, tuned for efficiency and city cruising. Producing 110 HP and 160 Nm of torque, it's paired with a 6-speed manual or an optional automatic transmission. While not built for speed demons, this powertrain offers a smooth, composed ride perfect for urban India. Suspension upgrades and disc brakes all around make it far more stable and safe than its predecessor. Interior, old charm meets modern tech. Step inside, and the Ambassador's cabin feels like a lounge. Faux wood panels, leatherette seats, and ambient lighting create a luxurious environment. There's a 10-inch infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, digital driver display, wireless charging, and a premium 6-speaker sound system. Rear seat comfort remains a highlight, with ample legroom, AC vents, and even a rear armrest with cup holders. Safety and features, built for today. The 2025 model comes with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, rear parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera. It meets Bharat NCAP safety standards and includes ISOFIX child seat mounts. This Ambassador is no longer just a nostalgic nameplate, it's a well-rounded, family-friendly sedan. Final thoughts, a new era for an Indian icon. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ isn't just a car, it's a statement. By blending legacy with modern engineering, it promises to attract both heritage enthusiasts and new-gen drivers. Starting at an expected price of 11.5 Indian rupees lakh, it could very well redefine premium family cars in India. Stay tuned to Pro Wheelhouse for more updates and reviews.